we'll learn how to easily download a video from Facebook on both iOS or Android devices, whether it's a funny video, an inspiring clip, or a useful tutorial. We'll show you how to save it to your device for offline viewing in just a few simple steps. The first step that we'll do is to open the Facebook mobile app on our iPhone or Android device, and we have to get the video link of the video that we want to download. I'll go over to my video section, and then I'll open this particular video for the purpose of this tutorial in order to get our video link or URL. All we have to do is to tap on the share icon at the right side, and this menu will pop up with a couple of different options. Find the copy link option in here and tap on it. As you can see, we've got our video link. So now we can continue to the next step and exit. Facebook, we want to open our web browser on our device. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can open Google Chrome or whatever browser you use. You want to type FB Downloader and hit enter on your keyboard. When the website opens, it's going to look something like this. And what you want to do is to paste the link or URL that we've copied in the Facebook app and then tap on the download button. The site is going to give us a couple of different resolutions in which we download our video, and I'll download the HD version, close the ad, and then simply download the video from Facebook. The video will download in your browser, and you can then save it from Safari or whatever you use into your photo gallery, and that's it.